Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2021 GLE 53 AMG Coupe. This one is black. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter inline-6 turbo with EQ boost pushing out 429 horsepower and 384 pounds of torque. This one has 21-inch 5-spoke black wheels, brushed aluminum running boards. Also comes with the AMG night package with black accents on the front, side, and rear. Turbo 4MATIC badging on the side. AMG black Napa leather interior. Carbon fiber trim. Ambient lighting. Panorama sunroof. Rear spoiler. AMG GLE 53 badging. Power liftgate. Clean set of floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Driver's assistance package with active blind spot assist. Active lane keep assist. Distronic Plus, pre-save, Burmeister sound system, warmth and comfort package with rapid heated front seats, heated armrest, memory seats, ambient lighting, AMG illuminated door sill, touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, power shifters for extra performance. Also included the AMG Performance steering wheel in Napa leather. You can adjust your dynamic selects on the steering wheel. You got Comfort, Sports, Sports Plus, Comfort, and Individual. A push start ignition. Touchscreen media display. Rear view backup camera. Navigation, dual climate control, wireless charging. Also includes the parking assistance package, which gives you that surround view backup camera with sensors. Touchpad for the infotainment center, dynamic selects, also adjustable right here. This GLE 53 has 18,766 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2021 GLE 53 AMG Coupe, visit us at feldmanimports.com.